Here's an easy side hustle to make some money, and if you like doing photography, you can make even more. I'm going to show you two options right now. If you go to Fiverr and you search background removal, there are tons of sellers here who will remove backgrounds and make them transparent or white. Now, if you use Photoshop, this is pretty easy. However, there's a free option. If you search background remover, there's a few different options, but if you go to remove.bg, we can check out this site right here. And we're going to use this mediocre picture of a knife I have right here, which then gets uploaded into the background remover. And presto changeo, the background is removed for you. And as I said, that doesn't even require you using Photoshop. So that's option one. People just send you photos, you remove the background. Option two is product photography, which I'm launching my own gigs on now. You don't even need tons of pro equipment. Let me show you a cheap, simple setup. You can get these cheap poster boards for $2 at Walmart. Fortunately, I have a couple white walls right here in my kitchen, which I can use. Comment for a part two, I'm running out of time. But the sellers send you their product and you take a